Welcome. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a simple step-by-step process on how to enable autoplay animated stickers in your Telegram chats on the desktop app. This comes with the new update, and once it's turned on, you'll be able to enjoy animated stickers playing automatically as you scroll through your conversations, making your chats much more lively and fun. Let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look towards the upper left corner of the window. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. Give that a click, and it will open the main navigation panel. Now, from here, find and select the option called Settings. This is where all of your customization and app preferences are stored. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Battery and Animations. Go ahead and click on that. This is the key area where Telegram lets you manage how animations and effects behave on your device. Within this section, you'll see an option for animated stickers. Select it, and you'll notice a checkbox or toggle that says Autoplay in Chat. This is the feature you want to activate. Once you've checked the box, it means all your animated stickers will start playing automatically whenever they appear in a conversation. No more clicking or tapping. They'll just move smoothly as you read your messages. The final step is to click on Save at the bottom of the window. This ensures that your new settings are applied immediately and kept in place for all your chats going forward. And that's it. You've successfully enabled autoplay for animated stickers inside your Telegram desktop app. It only takes a few quick steps, but it really enhances the overall chatting experience, making conversations feel more dynamic and expressive. If you'd like, you can always return to the same settings section and turn the option off later, if you prefer a quieter, less animated chat window. But for most people, having stickers play automatically brings chats to life in a fun new way. Now, you know exactly how to set it up quick, simple, and effective.